guys, it's your girl Just Behave, and I'm back with another video, and I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how I got these like really cute cloud nails with these stickers. And we're gonna go ahead and start off with prosecco, and this color is from glitterbels. It's a glitter powder. So basically I'm just going in and just spreading out the glitter on the nail, trying to get it evenly dispersed, just to spread it out on the nail. I don't want to fully cover the nail. I still want it to be like, clear and a little bit see-through. So I'm just getting it spread out where it looks like, pleasing to the eye. And I'm just going to go ahead and apply a little bit more towards the bottom, just to make sure we have enough coverage of the glitter on the nail. So I'm just going to go ahead and apply a really small amount and then spread that out with the tip of my brush. And I'm gonna go ahead and use these stickers that I got from Etsy.com. And there's just like some clouds and some stars. And I'm just gonna go ahead and place it on the nail, and I'm gonna encapsulate it. You can put it on top, but I just prefer to just encapsulate it so that they don't come off. And the next color that I'm going to go ahead and go in with is Buttercup by Nail House. And I'm just going to go ahead and put it like at the top, just to kind of ombre in, but not like a serious ombre. It's kind of like a sheer nude color. So it's just going to give me like that little bit of opaque look. And you can still see through it a little bit. So that's why I went ahead and used this color. And I really, really like it. Alright, you guys, so I'm pretty much going to go ahead and do the same thing with the prosecco glitter. I'm just going to go ahead and spread it out on the nail to get as much coverage as possible without overcrowding the nail. And then we're going to go ahead and move on to adding any other encapsulations to the nail. Alright, so I got this from my local nail supply store, and I'm going to go ahead and take, as you guys can see, I just placed one star on there just to see how it'll look. Now I'm just going in with a clear bead of acrylic. That way I can go ahead and apply another piece on there, and I'm going to go ahead and go with this crescent moon, you guys. And I'm just pressing it down on the acrylic that I applied, not too hard or anything like that. And then I'm going to go ahead and go in with the cloud sticker. And I just feel like this is so cute, you guys. Like this set on a real hand would go off. Like it'll be so pretty. So I'm just going to go ahead and apply like a small star at the bottom. And you guys, it's lifting up or whatever because the nail is not even. It's just the glitter. If you want, you can go ahead and encapsulate it first, then apply your stickers, but I just chose to encapsulate it. So I decided to try to use my size 16 brush, and this brush is by Not Polished. And y'all, I have to get used to using a bigger brush because I was just getting like really bad bead anxiety. So I just went ahead and used the bigger brush to try to cover up this nail. And as you guys can see, like it looks messy. Like it doesn't look as neat as it looked with the smaller brush. So in my opinion, I just like a smaller brush when I'm doing like detailed things. I ended up spending more time on the nail working with the bigger brush because I was trying to spread it out. So I went ahead and added a little gold star to the bottom of this one. And then I'm going to go ahead and apply another crescent to this one. Oh my God, y'all, it's so cute. And then I'm going to go ahead and go in with the sticker. So I'm going to go in with the star, and then I think I'm going to do a cloud. I don't know. Maybe I'm not. Who knows? Okay, yeah. So a cloud. And then I'm going to go ahead and encapsulate everything. And then I'm going to go ahead and go on to this last finger. And I'm using the size 16 brush again, y'all. And as you guys can see, like, it's just a mess. Like, I just applied too much glitter. So I'm just getting used to the brush, you guys. You got to practice with it in order to get used to it and learn how to use it. You just have to learn how to maneuver and manipulate the powders, the acrylics, the beads with a certain size brush. So I just have to work on not picking up so much with the bigger brush, trying to just use the very, very tip of it. And then now you guys, I'm just going to go ahead and apply some stars to this one. And this is just a practice nail, y'all, so it's not perfect, my bad, you know. But I'm just applying the stars to the nail, and then some more with the stickers. And then I went ahead and added a star to this nail, and then the cloud to top it off, just so that it can go with the rest of the nails. And then I'm going to encapsulate, you guys. And now I'm just using my drill bit to just shape the nails, you guys. And I do this in all of my videos, pretty much. And now we're gonna go ahead and top coat. And y'all, these nails look so much better in person. Like, I love them so much. Like, they're so cute. It's just so dreamy and nice. And you guys, I'm trying to get my videos to be a little bit shorter because I know you guys do not want to watch like a 15, 20-minute video. So I'm just trying to get some short videos out. But oh my god, look how cute. OMG. Like, let's be real, y'all. This is so freaking dreamy and cute. I love it. And I went ahead and zoomed in so that you guys can kind of see it a little bit better with the top coat. And how bubbly and cute is this? Like, it's just such a dream. I love the prosecco glitter because you have like the small circle shapes. It just looks bubbly. It really looks like some champagne. Like, it's just a bougie night out, period. And I just feel like these nails are just a representation of just dreams. But that completes the video, you guys. I try to keep it as short and sweet as possible. Be sure to like and subscribe to my channel and comment down below if you guys like this set. And see you guys next time. Bye!